Lisa, where's the kitty cat? Where is it?
She likes me. The kitty likes me. Sometimes she's here.
The kids are having so much fun with the cats. It's like the most exciting thing they've done all day.
Can I hold her?
Right, Alyssa's silly little run. Okay, maybe don't torment it. She'll...
You want to see her. She might pee on you. You want to.
Lisa, where's the other cat? The other cat is hiding under the bed, and I can't seem to coax it to come out. Maybe next time we'll have to come without all the helpers, and maybe it will be less intimidated.
I don't think he's down here. This is too strong. I don't think he's down here.
Lisa, where's the kitty cat?
I don't think he's down here.
Show me.
Oh, a heartbeat.
Where's the kitty? Rika is our cat lover. Okay, Rika, the cat's maybe getting a little overwhelmed. Give it some space, please.
Okay, cool.
The cat will come down when it's ready, okay? Alyssa's just not quite tall enough. The cat found a nice safe spot to watch the people without getting reached by the short person.
Maybe they like ding 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 ding. The kitty's down there.
Oh, don't make it stay in there if it doesn't want to. If it wants to, that's fine, but... Hello. Alyssa, hello.
Hello. I got it.
Okay, let's give it some space. Everyone say hi to Jake and Miranda.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Rika.
Oh, he's going to.
Oh, leave it alone now. It's doing its business. Just like when you go to the bathroom, it's private. You leave the cat alone. Rika.
Leave the cat alone.
Leave the cat alone.
I know. I just want to help her get her tail in.
Oh, I think she knows how, or he. I don't know if it's a boy or girl, but it can take care of it. Okay? See, it covers it up. It's kind of like you guys wipe, only this cat goes tinkle and then covers it up. It just shaked.
So we have to come here tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, awesome. And then we move.
Get shoes off the couch, please.